Hi guys, Lee here from Trading College. Let's take a look at the market here and the strategy that I used on Thursday, Friday last week to bank £1,930 profit in the markets. Now, it was a swing trade. Now, a swing trade is when I'm going to place the trade maybe in the evening time. I am going to put that order in my spread betting account. And then I'm off to bed, going to sleep, and then I'm looking for the market price to be filled, and then I'm going for a swing trade to hold for a couple of days. So when I'm doing that, I'm doing it on predominantly the daily time frame, weekly time frame, but it doesn't mean I don't go down to a 5-minute chart to enter a trade and have a 12-point stop and go for a 200-point target. That's for another video. But in this case, it was all about dollar yen. Okay, so page 1 of technical analysis is higher highs and higher lows for an uptrend, lower lows and lower highs for a downtrend. Okay, so you can take a look here. When the green PTS signal here, this is where you've got to be really careful because it could potentially make a lower high. So there's a high, there's a lower high, and there's the red pro trading system. That's our proprietary system we use. Signal to short. So when it goes from green to red, that's a short signal. And it was a lower high. So that was weakness. And we get the signal and we drop. So when we get the signal, we get the lower high, we place the trade. And it really is a process. It's not something that we have to dive deeply in and start looking at global markets, interest rates. It's just a pure technical signal. We're looking to take the trade and we're looking to manage the trade and manage risk at all times once we place that trade. Okay, so nice move, and I'm looking for 109.05 for the next profit target in this market. Now, it doesn't mean it's going to get straight down there. We could go back up into this area here, which is where our moving averages are, and we could certainly then rotate and go back down from there. The great thing, what I like about this market, what I like about this trade, is that there isn't much stopping it. There's not much support. I mean, yeah, we've got this great big spike here at 105. That's a big double bottom support area, but we've got a long way down. We've got 500 pips down to there. And when price has got room to move, then, we can make bigger profits. If we haven't got room to move, like just in here, then it becomes we don't make much more, we don't make much profit, or the probabilities of making a lot of money, a lot of return is lower when we don't have support and resistance around. Okay, so the pro trading system gave us a nice short signal. It is now all about this follow through, and let's see if we can get some more downside. If you like the video, guys, give it a thumbs up. If you want to leave a comment, please leave a comment down below. Always willing to answer any questions that you do have. Check out our website, tradingcollege.co.uk, and come and join us and do some live trading with us in the markets. Hope it helps. Speak to you soon. Take care.